Hey guys. So today I'm gonna be like cleaning and redecorating my room because it looks a hot mess, as you can see, and also it's like the new year and I kind of wanted to change. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my hair is like completely different. I like chopped it all off and I dyed it black. So that's what's going on right now. But yeah, okay, let's get started then, I guess. Okay, so here's my room before. Those are all the boxes that I have I'm about to unpack.
I am disgusted.
And you know, it's kind of bland. There's nothing on the walls, like nothing at all on the walls except that one poster. But yeah, also this is like the mirror I'm about to set up and it's really cluttered, so I'm gonna try and declutter that. But yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, but I'm kind of going for like an anime and foresty nature theme. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Hopefully it looks good, but if not, oh well, because I'm leaving anyways. So yeah, alright, let's actually get started now. Okay, so I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and like declutter all of this stuff, and then I'm gonna declutter all of this stuff, and then and all of that and then I'm actually gonna like start to unbox all of this stuff over here, and then I'm gonna put it up. Okay guys, so I finally finished cleaning my room. It's been like 2 hours. I literally had to like declutter everything and throw things away. It may not look like it, but that's what I did. And I'm finished, I'm tired, and I'm gonna start decorating now. So now I'm gonna basically unbox all of this stuff that I got. So basically, I got like a bunch of photos from Walmart, like from the photo print thing. And I have like a bunch of like plants and stuff to like decorate. So I'm gonna start doing that. I'm about to start unboxing the stuff. It seems like someone actually already opened one of my packages, but I'm gonna ignore that. Anyways, this is gonna be more stuff that I have to clean up, basically. Like I'm literally so tired. I didn't even make my bed. Like it's just gonna have to be ugly. I don't know what this is. I forgot. Oh, that's my Hunter poster. Oh, these are like tarot card posters. Flowers. Please. Okay. This is the last one. I think this is a Hisoka like lamp thingy.
It's getting weird.
Is like a fake grass rug. Okay, so I think that's everything. Oh, and then I have a mirror like over there somewhere. I don't know why I've never had a full-length mirror in my room for some reason. But yeah, I finally got one, and yeah, I'm gonna start decorating now, finally. My god. Guys. I just tried to unbox the mirror and I made like a huge mess. And now I'm angry because I literally have to vacuum my entire room and clean up literally everything off the floor. And I'm about to cry because I'm out of breath. Okay, let me show you. Like, why did it make such a big mess? Okay, so I'm about to try to like move all of this mess like out of here. So that's probably gonna take me a while. So I probably won't be able to decorate just yet. But I hope I can do it all before like it gets dark. Because if it gets dark, I'm going to bed. So okay guys, so I just opened like all of the plants and stuff I'm gonna put around my room, and you know, like fake plastic plants, and they smell like death and chemicals and other bad things. So they're all on the floor right there, and I think I'm gonna like spray them down. So I'll be back once I spray them down, and I'm gonna like hang them up everywhere. Hey guys, I finally finished this bed part, like the leaves up there. I'm so tired, so I'm gonna go take a break. I'm gonna go eat, and I'll come back and finish the rest. Hey guys, so I just returned from eating, and I come back after 6 hours, and I see that it's all fallen down. So now I have to redo that. And then I am gonna do basically everything else, but that's kind of annoying, so I have to redo that. So bye. So I finally finished hanging up that leaf section, and it has lights. So let me show you the lights real quick. So those are them with the lights, and now I'm basically gonna like hang up like all the other flower stuff that I have, like all of this stuff, and then I should be done. But yeah, I think I'm done for today. I'm so tired. I spent about like 6 hours doing this, and my hair looks crazy. But yeah, I guess I'll just give you like a tour of like what it's looking like right now, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and like finish off like the photo wall, and then put up some posters, and yeah. Bye. Hey guys, it's next day, it's 10 a.m. I'm about to get started up again. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is like, I'm gonna like hang up the posters and stuff, and then after that, I'm gonna do like the photo wall, and I'm gonna add some like more flowers and everywhere. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna set up the photo wall. I kind of like laid them all on the floor so I could like see them like beforehand, and I'm gonna put them on this like really blank wall that I just have left in my room. But yeah, I think I'm finished hanging all the leaves and stuff. Like, I'm way too tired, and it was like hurting my back, so I quit. But yeah, let me show you the photos, like the layout on the floor. And they're gonna go on this wall. think I'm finally done with my room, so now I guess I'll just show like a little tour or whatever, and before and after, of course. So
I'm telling you, I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but you know, I'm so creative like that.
okay, so I hope y'all like my new room or whatever. I spent 2 whole days on it. It took forever and it was a lot of work, so yeah, I hope y'all like it. But you know, this is just something for like the new year or whatever, so I can feel like a new person. But yeah, that's all. Okay, bye guys.